Hello everyone. In this particular session, now let us know and let us try to understand that how can we run a program using Eclipse. So I have already opened Eclipse over here. It is in the desktop. So if you want to work with Eclipse, what you need to do is you can go to File, you can go for New, and you can create a new Java project. Let's give it a name as word count. So word count will be the name of the project. Click on Next, and this is now you can see created. Here you have to check this is projects, this is libraries. You have to go to libraries. You have to go and add external jars. For adding up external jars, you have to check Cloudera lib. So here I can see JUnit, MRUnit, only these files. So we need to check that where the Hadoop is installed, and those files we have to include over here. So normally I should go to file system. I should go to user lib, and here you can see all the Hadoop. So I'll go to Hadoop lib, and I'll add all these. So all these jars. Click OK. So these jars are added. Then again click on add external jars and go back to Hadoop, go to client and add all these jars. And after that, you can click over here, go to lib, go to MapReduce, and here also under lib, add these jars as well. Now, by any chance, if we require any more jars, we can add later also. But initially only I have added almost all the jars over here. Sometimes we have Hadoop MapReduce itself. Yeah, this. So from here also, I will add all the jars just to be on safer side. And then now I can go to source and I can click on finish. So this file I can close. This is not mine. Word count. Here you can see src, and here right click new and a class. Give a class name as name as word count and finish. So you can see a class file is created with the name word count. Now what I will do is I'll go to the browser and look at this link. I'll take the program from the official Hadoop website, and here we have a source code for word count. So I'll take this source code and I'll copy it and I'll put it over here. I'll press Ctrl S, save. I'll go at the beginning. Okay. Now what I will do is we need a jar file basically. So I'll click here, right click, and we have export option. Under export, I will search for jar. So jar file, and next, word count jar I need. Select the export destination where I want to export. I'll export on Cloudera folder. I'll name it as wc.jar. Okay. And next, and finish. Now I will go and check whether the jar file is created or not. So Cloudera's home. So here you can see the jar file is created. Now what you need to do is you need to run this particular jar. So go to the terminal and do ls. So you can see wc.jar is there. And now you need to have your input on Hadoop. So HADOOP Hadoop, or you can write SDFS DFS hyphen ls slash so SDFS. So it will show us what is there inside slash. So these are the folders which are there inside slash. So I'll create one folder SDFS DFS hyphen mkdir slash input. So I've created a folder named as input on Hadoop. So that there I will put my input and then I will run this particular program. I'll create a file also data.txt. In this file, I'll write some sentences. This is a rainy day. I like RAINY rainy days. Rainy day. I think you will also like rainy day. I have intentionally written things repeatedly so that we can get to know that the word count is correct. Now I will put this file, upload this file on HDFS in the input folder. So how to do that? HDFS DFS hyphen put put data.txt slash input input. So inside that I'm uploading this particular file. Once this file gets uploaded, then I can check also whether this file is uploaded or not. So SDFS DFS hyphen cat slash input slash data dot txt. So you can see this is a rainy day. The file is uploaded. Now I will submit that jar file wc.jar file. I'll run the job. So Hadoop jar wc.jar and then class name wrd word count word count, then input path slash input input, then output path slash output output, enter. So I'm running that particular job. Now this will start the job, number of splits, submitting, running job. You can keep on reading the logs to understand that what is happening. So it keeps on displaying the logs as well. So it says running the job and we can track on browser as well. If you click on this, it will show it on the browser also that how the job is running. So it may take a couple of seconds to a minute's time to run the job. It shows the status as well. Map task is 0, reduce task is 0. So both of them are 0% completed. We can wait for some time. Very good. Map task is 100% completed and reduce task is still 0% completed. So these are two phases and it shows the progress of each phase on the screen. And it is successfully completed now. Execution is successful. Now SDFS DFS hyphen ls slash output. This was my output directory. So I'm trying to see what is there inside my output directory. So if you see in the output directory, I have a success file because the job is successfully executed. And I have a file named as part-r 00000. So I will cat that file sdfs dfs-cat, display the content of that file with the help of cat command, slash output output slash part hyphen r hyphen 00000, enter. So now if we see that it will display the output. You can see this is the output. So this is how you can successfully run your word count example with the help of Eclipse and then running the command submitting the job on the terminal. Try executing this. If you have any issues, write us back.